on Ayurveda, astrology, yoga, because I also practice yoga, so I also believe that they are all interlinked, and definitely will have him also. And there are a lot of guests lined up on our channel, and feeling blessed actually. So if anybody have any queries to ask me, or if you really are interested to also Vishti Larson sir, he's I've been announcing it day in day out. Vishti Larson sir is also gonna come on our channel, and he'll also be discussing on very critical things. I'm just gonna ask him a lot of questions on astrology, how, why is it so, because in general people have it is told a very dark or a very mystic. Yes, thank you so much, Ashish ji. And yes, so he will be talking more on what is the fundamental, because I will be focusing more on fundamentals. Why is astrology so deep, or so dark, or it's, hello Nisha, hi. So why is it so dark, or why is it not so easy, or why is it very complex, what makes it complex? He'll be asking the fundamental, answering the fundamental things. And also the audiences have been requesting me to talk on the profession, right? What is the profession to choose and how to choose. Also definitely I'll be asking, if you have any things to be asked to my guest lectures, you can write down to my mail ID, or you can definitely ping down in the comment section on what you definitely are looking for. I would be more than happy to get all the guests on my channel and definitely ask those questions, and they'll be willing to answer for us. And yeah, that's all I had. And actually I had made also a video on retrograde of Jupiter, right? So Jupiter is going to be retrograde. Oh wow, thank you. Love your video. So thank you so much, Nishaji. Yes, I am feeling very happy that people are just liking it. And I had a few consultations also. People are telling me that it's really helped them, and that's what I wish and hope, that people like, they come and they get the benefits out of it, and they are really uplifted. That's the main thing, which the reason was that for starting the channel, actually, to help out someone who is really in need, and whom I can really help. That was the actual reason for which I started the channel, and it's fulfilled. I'm feeling very happy actually. So it's been a great time actually making videos for you people. It's fun actually. If you people mail me or message me on what really you want to, where are you from, as I am from Chennai. Okay, hi. So yes, very soon I will be definitely answering all that, because it's a new channel and I have to introduce myself to my audience, and definitely I'll be answering all that things that about myself. I this today's video I'll be focusing on my guests and any questions you have, but about me I'll be definitely talking what made me draw towards this astro science. I was previously not into astro science or astrology. I was just IT professional actually. I was working in IT company, and it's something drew me towards it. Maybe it's a very important reason for which it has drawn me towards this direction. I wish and hope so. So, and it's really I'm feeling that actually. So yes, so I'm feeling very happy that it's drawn me towards this direction, and feeling blessed actually. I got a lot of gurus actually. Once I left my IT job, I found lot of gurus. I have a list actually, some wonderful gurus, where not I've found, and I'll just be making a video on definitely them. It's just I have very little to talk about me, and a lot to talk about my gurus, and definitely I'll be making a video very soon. I've been asked, hey, I'm interested on your videos. Yeah, thank you so much, Kishore. Gee, thank you so much for liking the videos and appreciating the videos whatever I'm making. I'm definitely working and definitely working a lot and doing research. I also do research a lot on that and then making videos, and I'm getting a lot of appreciation. Thank you, because I also feel that you people come up and talk to me on what really you want to watch more videos on, with any guests you want, or you have something to address, some some topic in astrology which you are really finding very difficult to understand, or something about your own. Yes, best wishes for you and your channel. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And if you people have any questions to be asked, definitely this is the platform. I would say that I would also, I would research it and come to you. If not, I have gurus. I will definitely reach out to them and definitely be answering all your queries. So this is what I really wanted to say in this video, that it's been lot of love and lot of blessings I've been getting, and thank you so much. It's been a great journey for my channel and for me, and definitely we have I have a lot of videos with transits cannot be seen just like that. Transits have to be seen with the horoscope. Actually, a lot of people tell that this is happening. A lot of messages I get, my Saturn or Ketu is in first house, this transit is happening. Definitely transits have, Kishorji, I am research astrologer last 2 years. Your videos helpful. Oh wow, thank you so much. You're a research astrologer yourself, and oh my god, I'm so happy that it's helping you. That's what I'm from, Bangalore actually, and I am actually being blessed, I can say that, because it's a very very short period of time, and then I've really be able to get that wisdom and knowledge from definitely Guruji's. Without Guru, I definitely feel without a Guru I could have not made this much a big journey, and it's been a blessing, I would say, actually. So it's been a wonderful time. I will be sharing that all in my along with my audience. I will soon be making a video on that, and I'll be posting it on my channel. And I wish and hope that it's just an inspiration, right? Yes, yeah, it's just an inspiration, right? Our Guruji gave to us, and we just share it. I think it's all with the higher thing, because I definitely feel that some energy from higher thing has to support, else it's really not gonna help us, right? So yeah, so it's been I also find a lot of astrologers also messaging me and telling it's really been helpful for them, and I got some consultations also, and they are telling me like the way you approach is different. I think it's a blessing, I feel, because if people in the same community are telling me that it's the approach is unique, then it should be a blessing through our Guruji. So it's nothing to do with me, it's all with the higher blessings. I am BTech student. Please, okay. I'm suggesting real guru searching. Oh wow. Okay, so guru, you're searching a guru. Okay, I don't know. I started liking your video from the beginning itself, and you're looking divine. I'm also an engineer graduate and very much interested in astrology. I know this a lot of people, because it's been especially in India, at least from the place where I am. Actually, it was only two professions I was got actually when I finished my engineering, or before I take up the engineering. I had only two options: either go for medicine or engineering. So I had got a medical seat as well, but somehow it was, I got it in some other location. So being me, not willing to go to some other location, I wanted to stay back. So I stayed back in my father's place, and I continued my education in the same city. So it's just a thought that only an engineer or a doctor, because I see a lot of astrologers coming from even a doctor profession. Actually, there are also a lot of people who are interested. So I will definitely be requesting Visti Larson sir to make video on profession, choosing a profession, so that it can be helpful, right? So if somebody is stuck somewhere, definitely profession has been a very very important thing, right? So I'll ask sir to talk about profession as well, along with the mysteries of astrology. So yes, it's been a nice time. Actually, I'll continue to make more creative videos. I will I thought of I'll start off some videos. I have a playlist for Bhagavad Gita and Mahabharata. I'm like trying to make more spiritual videos as well, because I that is how I got the Diksha, like becoming very spiritual, and I would like to spread it also. So I wish and hope that it's fulfilled. So I'll be making more and more videos on scriptures and how do we relate it to our day in life this day. I'll try to give interlink and how do we correlate with it and move ahead. And definitely a lot of guests I'm wishing that I'll get to my channel, and they all bestow their wisdom. We have beautiful people in astrology community, that they have so much of spiritual awakening things to talk about. So I have guests lined up, and please stay tuned. Thank you for all your love. I wish and hope I'll soon be hitting 1000 subscribers. It's all because of you. I'll soon be making a video for thanking even it's been a really a great journey. So I will be thanking all my subscribers. Yeah. So thank you so much. Please be stay tuned to my channel, and it's been a wonderful time. Okay. Thank you then. See you. Namaste.